Very, very good. Sir. Hi.
Good morning, Excellency. Welcome. Mr. Kenneth, Honorable. Mr. Waiting. Your Majesty, Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Representative.
Majesty, it's a great honor Polish Minister of Foreign Affairs. Great day for Polish Ghanaian relations. Thank you.
Okay.
So, when did you So, you have had some time to visit
On this note, I also want to express my sincere gratitude for this honor done with us, the ambassador, to check with concurrent accreditation to Poland. We are honored with all the communication that you allow us to meet you today. I think
now the point, the diplomat, who is